Hello, this is TWT. This video is going to show you ways to use package swap exchange and ways to stake package swap and also be getting pancake daily and TWT, that is trust wallet token daily. So you'll be any pancake and you should be any trust wallet token. So you'll be any two assets while staking. So this is awesome. But anyway, I'm not a financial advisor, so welcome to Rich David TV, a channel that shows you ways to make money online from the comfort of your home with cryptocurrency. So this is not the wallet I'll be using. Using a fresh wallet to do this tutorial. So I have BNB. I have one BNB. Well, I have one BNB on this wallet, but I need to get smart chain. A smart chain we need to use so we're able to swap what they call it. We're able to swap BNB to kick on the pancake exchange. So what do I have to do? What I have to do, I have to go to my Binance account. So I'll go to my Binance account. If you don't know what is Binance, so Binance is a trading platform, and also you can use it to exchange. So you can use it to exchange coin like BTC to USD, Ethereum to USD, BNB to USD. You can use it to exchange any coin. So that is it. So what I'm going to do, that I'm going to go to my wallet because I need to copy. I hid my balance for privacy. So I need to go to my BNB, copy the address that is deposit. I'll copy the address and the memo. Then I'll go back there to my Trust wallet. Then this is what I will do. The address, now to paste the memo, which is here now. And I'll tap on mass, but I'm not going to send all. Maybe leave like some here. Then I'm going to send and confirm. There's a reason why I'm doing this. I'm sending to Binance because you know that I need smart chain. It's also a bit smart chain. It's just BNB, but it's a BNB smart chain that you can use on the BNB swap net. You get to understand more on the video. So what I will have to do now, I have to copy this address. Let's copy this my smart chain BNB address. Go back to my Binance. Then I'll go back to my Binance. I'll tap on withdraw and tap on this BEBSC. Yes, I'm going to tap on this BBSC because I need BNB smart chain. So I'm not going to use mass. So I sent how many to here? I sent one BNB here. So I'm going to so I'm going to send my I'm going to send the one BNB to that my smart chain address on Trust wallet. I've successfully withdrawn it. So let me just wait for me to receive it. Right here. So right now I have received it on my smart chain. So I now have one BNB on my smart chain address. So 1 BABS. So what I will have to do is the apps. I'll go to the apps. This 4 box, I'll tap on it. So we have the pancake here. Okay, if in the new the apps, you can see it here. It is here. Once you are using Trust Wallet, the new the apps, you can see it here. Or better still, if you are not using Trust Wallet, you want to use an any wallet that supports smart chain, you can just tap here and search on pancakeswap.finance. Pancakeswap.finance. So, but anyway, I have it here, so I'll just tap on it. So that's it. So what I will do, I will tap on, no, not, it's not big, kick. Okay, I'll tap on kick, tap on the mass. I need to leave a little what they call it, a smart chain here. So I'll just go with just 45. Maybe I just go just fully 45. I'll just tap 45, then tap on, I'll tap on swap. I'll tap on confirm swap, tap on confirm. So just wait for the confirmation. Be confirmed. Swapped 0.947 BNB for 45 kick. So right now I have 45 kick on my wallet worth $27. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the pancake swap and tap on the pancake. You can see the pancake. Tap on the pancake here. Just tap on the pancake itself. Just tap on the pancake and tap on the menu. Tap on the menu. You can see menu. I'll tap on the menu. Then tap on staking. I will have to approve it. Kick. So I'll be able to stake it. I'll have to approve it. So that's why I left a little smart chain because of the gas price because of the gas price. So that's why I leave a little smart chain. So it has been approved. So let me stake. I'll tap on max. I want to stake all. Tap on max. But if you don't want to stake all, you can just tap there and tap on the amount. But I want to stake all. So right now I have staked 45 kick, and the awesome thing is that as I have staked this 45 kick, I'll be any kick here. And also I was given 45 CWAP token. So I was also given 45 CWAP token. So what are you going to use this 45 CWAP token to do? Now you need to go to tap on menu again and tap on CWAP pool. That was CWAP pool, and look at it, and look at the TWT pool. That is the Trust Wallet token. So tap on approve, because those 45 CWAP they give to me, I need to stick it here so that I can be any TWT. So like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, so every decision you make should be up to you. So like how much you are willing to stake, or if you don't want to stake, it's up to you. So you see, right now I'll be any I'll be earning TWT, and I'm also be earning, or they call it, kick. Just for staking 45 kick, I'm earning kick and also any TWT. So this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Just for doing that. Just for doing that. So just for doing that. So this is Switch David TV. So, but check the description below for if you don't have Binance and you want to use Binance. Check the description below. There's a link to Binance. If you don't have Binance account, there's a link to Binance there. So use that link to sign up on Binance, and also subscribe and leave a thumbs up. You can leave a comment and I'm going to answer your. You can leave a question in the comment and I'm going to reply your comment.